Today we will solve some questions of percentages topic for placement tests. Since this is one of the fundamental topic, it has been shown in the top on the platform. Let's start. Okay, so the very first questions is going to be easy. 10% of 3000 is 300. So our answer will be 3300 rupees. Let's mark it and move to next question. Okay, so this one is easy too. 20% of 7000 is 1400. So our answer will be 7000 plus 1400, which is 8400. Now this question looks easy but is little tricky. If you notice, value of the ring is irrelevant as the percentage increase will not depend on it. So to consider 10% and 30% subsequent increase, the increase in the value will be 1.1 multiplied by 1.3 is 1.43. 1.43 means new value is 43% more than the original value. So even if ring costed any other amount, percentage increase would have remained the same. Let's move further. Now this question is simple, but lot of students make a silly mistake here. If speed was 100, now it has become 200. That is an increase of 100%. Many students wrongly mark it as 200% because of the word double. Let's move to next question. Price has become 4.5 times, which is 350% increase. Okay, it seems now the level of the questions is further increased. We have been given monthly and annual prices, so this is like those Netflix subscriptions. If we use monthly option for 12 months, then it costs us more than the annual option. Let's calculate the cost if we use monthly options for 12 months. So it costs us 2100 rupees if we use monthly options. But yearly option costs only 1785. So we can subtract the two. So the discount comes out to be 315 rupees. Let's calculate the percentage now using the basics. The discount percentage comes out to be 15%. Let's mark this answer, and then we will end the session for today. If we continue, we will get more challenging questions. So we have reached LearnTheta score of 18 in this session. In next video, we will solve some ratio proportion questions. Do comment if you want us to cover a specific topic.